Alright, so we're gonna look at how negative exponents work. And to do this, we're gonna simplify and show like two equivalent or equal forms of things, and then help you see the relationship to how negative exponents work. So if I have x to the fifth over x to the eighth, we said, okay, you can write it all out. So I have x times x times x times x times x. And then I have x to the eighth, so I write out x times itself 8 times in the denominator. And then I can cancel. And if I do, I cancel out 5 pairs of x's. And when that happens, remember, if everything cancels, it means there's a 1, because really x divided by x is 1. So there's a 1 in the numerator, and then it's x cubed in the denominator. So that's one way to simplify these. So I'll simplify all of these first that way. So b cubed would be b times b times b. B to the 7th would be b times b times b times b. Okay, 7 times. Cancel. So 1 pair of b's, 2 pairs, 3. Okay, I would have 1 in the numerator since all the b's canceled, and I'd have b, I have 4 left, so b to the 4th in the denominator. And then if I do the c's, c squared is c times c. C to the 4th is c times c times c times c. 2 pairs cancel, and I would left with 1 in the numerator and c times c, which is c squared, because 1 plus, or because there's 2 of them, or 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So these are all the one form of this. Now, I could also simplify this using our rules of exponents, where if we're dividing, we said, so we subtract numerator, exponent minus denominator. So x to the 5th over 8 is 5 minus 8, which is negative 3. Okay, and so these are the same thing. I just simplified them in 2 different ways. So 1 over x cubed is the same as x to the negative 3. Same idea. If I have b to the 3rd over b to the 7th, we can subtract the exponents, numerator minus denominator, and I get b, 3 minus 7 is to the negative 4th. Okay, and therefore 1 over b to the 4th is the same as b to the negative 4th. Okay, and then same thing, c squared over c to the 4th. I could do it by subtracting the exponents. It would be 2 minus 4, which is c to the negative 2nd. And so 1 over c squared is the same as c to the negative 2. Okay. And so if we have a negative exponent in like just x to the negative m, that is the same thing as 1 over x to the m. And so that's how we will do our negative exponents. It becomes 1 over x to the m. And so that's how negative exponents work. And we'll do the next video will be a little bit more on negative exponents.